Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a script that allows you to grab and move around rigid body objects. So to get started with our scene, let's just create a cube and bring it down a bit. Also scale it up on the X and Y axis. And let's also create another cube for the actual grabbing. Let's move that one up a bit. And let's add a rigid body to it. Next thing we want to do is add the grabbable cube into the interactive layer. So for that, we need to go here, click on add layer, and type in interactive. The next thing you want to make sure is that on your main camera, make sure that it has the tag main camera. So go here and make sure it has main camera on it. That's very important. And if your camera does not have this, the script won't work. So now assign the layer interactive to our cube. And now our cube is in the interactive layer. Let's also create a material for the cube. Make it red. So we can differentiate between the cube and the ground. So as you can see, our cube falls. And now what we're going to do is make it so that you can grab it with your mouse and just throw it if you want, or just swing it around. First thing you want to do is create a C# script called grab, and another C# script called camera plane. And open up your grab script. And go into the link in the description, and it'll take you to this GitHub, and go to the grab CS script and just copy and paste this. Now do the same thing for the camera plane script. Open it up, go to the GitHub, just copy this. Once it's all in here, you can go back to your Unity scene. And just drag the grab script onto the cube. If we go to the cube, you can see that it has the grab script. Now if we hit play, you can see that if we can pick it up, and if we let go, it'll fall. If we grab it and then throw it really hard, it'll fly away. You can also change which mouse button you want to use to pick up the object by going into the script and changing all of these to 1, all these zeros. Before I was using the left mouse button, but now if I change it to 1, I can use the right mouse button. Now that all of these have been changed, the script will compile, and once it compiles, if we hit play, you can use the right mouse button to pick up the object, and if we let go, it'll fall. We can also throw it. And that's basically the script. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.